I'm starting a YouTube beauty guru revolution. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be all about covering up spots or like acne or pimples, whatever you wanna call them. As you can see, I've got a hella big breakout right now. And I've been watching a few videos on YouTube about like how to cover them up. And I've come to the conclusion that like I know the secret. And the secret is that you can't do it. You can't cover up pimples. Well, at least not in like the traditional sense, but I'm gonna show you my secret method, not so secret method. The essence is realizing that nobody cares about your skin as much as you do. So rather than hide your spots with the same color concealer as your skin,
and just end up like either highlighting the spot or making it look like even more of a mountain or like just having the makeup flake off after like 10 minutes.
what we're gonna do is cover our spots with
Face paint.
proper face paint. They are water soluble, so you can wash them off when you eventually don't want to look like a 4-year-old child anymore. Basically, embracing the spots instead of trying to push them away, because what you resist persists. What you'll need is a tiny paintbrush. It's not in focus. That's it. Whatever, it's a tiny paintbrush. Step 1, you want to have some water ready and just mix and then go right in. Right on top of the spot. And you know, really, this is all up to you. Like, you can do whatever you want. Flower design? Who knew? Who knew there was a pimple under there? Ha! Not me. No one will know. No one will know. And you know what? Like, if people hate on you for having like flowers all over your face, then they're not the people for you. You can get creative and mix up colors. Oh my god, so creative. I think more than anything, this technique will just confuse people. So rather than being like grossed out by your acne, if they would even care, they're just gonna be confused. While you're becoming Picasso on your face, you can also take this time to reflect about why you have pimples in the first place. Is it because you've been eating loads of sugar and dairy and drinking alcohol and not washing your makeup brushes in months? I mean, give yourself some freckles while you're at it. Like, okay, so my video totally shut off like while I was doing my freckles. What I'm doing now is putting mascara on my eyebrows to further the distraction process. The ultimate way of distracting away from spots is just like by totally being yourself and totally like being confident and just like owning your personality basically, and then nobody will notice like blaring open craters on your face. But sometimes we don't always feel like our best, most shining selves, right? And in that case, I highly recommend the glitter eyebrow. But you need mascara and you need glitter. It doesn't have to be purple. I'm just clearly on a purple flex. You could probably leave it like this and it would be distracting enough. But dip your finger into the glitter. Look at that. Look at that. Who would know that there is acne and pimples under this beautiful creation? To conclude, own your spots. Celebrate your pimples because you're not going to be able to cover them up anyway. And remember that anyone who judges you for the way your skin looks over who you are as a person doesn't deserve a place in your life. Honestly, while you're here, you might as well just like see what you'd look like with a mustache.
Maybe monobrow it? Oh, have I gone too far now?
No, there's no such thing. Thanks for watching, everyone. Like, comment, subscribe.